Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by isolating the work area and protecting what you won't strip. Once the tape and drop cloths are in place, put on your respirator and gloves. Apply a thin, even coat of automotive paint remover to a 1-2 FT section. Wait the manufacturer time so the coating softens paint rather than damaging metal. Use a plastic razor at a low angle to lift softened paint and a nylon brush to clean edges. Make sure you don't press metal, let the chemistry do the work. Once the large flakes come off, alternate scraping with gentle brushing to avoid scratching. You should work small areas and reapply remover if stubborn spots remain. This prevents overexposure of metal. Use solvent-dampened cloths to wipe away residue, changing cloths when saturated. If you hit primer, reduce dwell time next pass because primer reacts differently than top coat. Make sure to rinse or neutralize the chemical per instructions before moving on, and let the panel dry to reveal any missed spots for targeted touch-up. You finish by sanding any light imperfections, starting with 800 grit and progressing to 2000 for a smooth surface. This evens edges where paint lifted. Once clean, apply primer to bare metal quickly to prevent flash rust, and use a rust inhibitor on exposed steel. If a stubborn blob won't come off, try a small orbital at low speed or a clay bar with lubricant rather than more chemical stripper. If you see pits, stop and consult filler options. Continued aggressive stripping can make damage worse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.